Hey guys and gals, Jax here with my new unboxing, unbagging, showing off whatever I want to show off video. So today's video, I got a box from United Sauces. Wonder what it is. Let's open this bad boy up. So United Sauces, it's a company that specializes in hot sauces, barbecue sauces, and they've got like a ton of different kinds of sauces that you can get from them. So I had to check them out and get my favorite artist of all time, just smell Mr. Alice Cooper's hot sauce. So we got that. And receipt, that's it, okay. More shit out of the way. Let's open this up. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. So it's the mild version because I wanted to try that out first because I still have to be careful with my throat. But it's the mild sauce. Welcome to my nightmare hot sauce. Yeah. So on the back it says, I think you're gonna like it. The great taste of the medium heat of serrano chilies with an early flavor of lime, but don't let it scare you. This robust flavor of garlic and a hint of cumin will have you feeling right at home with this southwestern sauce. Manufactured for Alice Cooper, alicecooper.com. So this is pretty cute. And the bottle's pretty good size too. It's 5 fluid ounces, 148 millimeter. Anyways, I'm going to drop a link down below for you guys to go to United Sauces, and the link will automatically give you an option to sign up for a $15 off coupon and enjoy, because I'm going to enjoy this. Peace out, y'all.